Hi, welcome to this 10th video on a GUI-based approach to machine learning for sports data. I was asked recently whether or not it would be possible to drill down to specific areas within the data, in other words, slice the data and build models on those subsections of the data. So what I'm going to do today is look at how we can slice data and build models in specific areas. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to assume that I'm interested, from a model building point of view, in creating a model to look at the draw, the race distance, and I'm going to also include days since last run. Put that in there. Got the draw, and I'm going to look at the pace figure as well. So I'm looking at a model where I'm working with the pace figure, the draw, days since last run, and the race distance. Now, this model will look at all race distances when it's building the model, but it may be that I'm only interested in sprint races. I want to build a model on 5 and 6 furlong races. So I really want to take this feature out of the model, race distance. But I only want it to look, when it's building the model, on 5 and 6 furlong races. Well, this is where we can slice the data. So if I click on the slice data column next to race distance row, and then click on slice data, we can now specify specific distances. There are options in here to specify less than or equal to, equal, greater than or equal to, between two values, or not between two values, or not equal to. I'm going to go with less than, and I'm going to put in 7, which means I'm interested in slicing the data down to races that are less than 7 in race distance. So that'll give me 5 and 6 furlong races. If I click slice data, now you'll notice that the number of rows in the data has gone down to 31,937. That's because we're now only dealing with, or we now only have race distances of 5 and 6 furlongs in the actual data frame. Okay, so now I'm ready to build a model on these 5 and 6 furlong races. So if I clear, I no longer have to specify race distance because there are only 5 and 6 furlong races in there. I can hit the draw. I was going to have the days since last run in there and the pace figure. Okay, if I now create the model using these input features, I'm going to use 5-fold cross-validation. Run the model. This should take 6 or 7 seconds. And we've got our results through based only on a model created on 5 and 6 furlong races. Okay, what if I have a further requirement? What if I want to have 5 and 6 furlong races, but I want to build a model for only a specific track? Well, we can go back here and select track from the slice data. Click slice data. Now we have the option, and I could have, by the way, I could have done this all in one step. You don't have to do it in 2 steps. I could have selected from the slice data column both track and race distance, and then completed the slicing in one move. I'm doing it in 2 because I just wanted to demonstrate how you can refine the data as you go along if you wish to. So I've got the tracks here. Now I might be interested in these 5 and 6 furlong races just for Lingfield all weather. I can specify more tracks if I want, Southall all weather and so on, but I'm only interested in Lingfield. So, and you'll notice also that I've distinguished now between all weather and non all weather. So Lingfield down here is turf, Lingfield all weather there is obviously all weather racing. So if I click on slice data, we're now down to 2,326 rows, and we've only got all weather data from Lingfield 5 and 6 furlong races. I can now create my model on this data, so I'll include draw, date since last run, and paste figure. Here we go. Create the model. 5-fold cross-validation. And we have a set of results for a model on 5 and 6 furlong races at Lingfield. Now we're down into small numbers of bets here and small sample size for 2 years worth of data, but I'm really just demonstrating the functionality of the software rather than whether or not we'd want to run away and start betting these top-rated horses. Okay, that's slicing data. It was a request from one of the clients who are looking to use this software, and they wanted a facility to slice data down into subsections, so that's now available. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and hopefully this software will be released within the next week. So if you're interested in the software, join the email group. I'll put a link underneath this video for you to click on and join the email group for information about its availability. Thank you.